Let me ask you a simple question. Why can you understand English but still can't speak it fluently? Why do words disappear from your mind when someone suddenly asks you a question in English? And why do some people speak confidently even with simple vocabulary? The answer is shocking. They don't translate, they think in English. Today I am going to teach you the unlimited method that changed my English speaking journey. And if you use this method for just 7 days, your brain will start creating English sentence automatically. Sound impossible? Watch till the end and test it yourself. Hello everyone, I am Nigam from Bihar. Welcome back to day 20 of our 30 days English Fluency challenge. Today's lesson is one of the most important lessons of this entire challenge. Because today we are not learning English. We are training our brain to think in English. Part 1. The biggest enemy of fluency. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" Now be honest, does your brain do this? Hindi, English, speak. That's why you freeze. That's why you hesitate. That's why you say, wait, let me think. The problem is not your English. The problem is your process. Okay? Let's do quick test. Don't translate. Answer immediately. What color is your shirt? Answer now. Did you answer in English or did you first think in Hindi? Comment directly in English, first in Hindi. Be honest, okay? No cheating. Part 2. The unlimited method. From today, stop translating words. Start creating pictures. Let me show you some examples. Don't think paid. Think tree. Instead of look at a tree and instantly say, "This is a tree. This is a mango tree. This is a green tree." Don't say kitab. Say book. This is my book. Don't say ghar. Say house. This is my house. My house is beautiful. See the difference? No translation, only English. Okay? Part 3. Live practice. Look around you right now. Choose any object. I will choose my phone. Listen carefully. This is my phone. I use it every day. I watch YouTube on it. It helps me learn English. This is a best tool for me. That's it. Simple English, real English, fluent English. Pause this video right now. Choose any object near you and speak 5 sentences about it in English. Then come back seriously. Pause the video. I will wait. Welcome back. Did you do it? Most people skip this step, but the people who do it improve faster than everyone else. Comment, I complete the challenge. Part 4. Secret of Fluent. Do you know what fluent speakers do differently? They don't wait for perfect grammar. They communicate. Let me show you some examples. Instead of saying nothing, say something. Wrong English spoken today is better than perfect English never spoken. Okay? Part number 5. The 24-hour mission. I have a challenge for you. For the next 24 hours, think in English for just 5 minutes. When you wake up, say, I am waking up. While eating, say, I am having breakfast. While walking, say, I am going on the market. Train your brain like a child learns language. Before this video ends, I want to answer one question in the comment. What are you doing right now? What there's a rule? Answer only in English. Let's see who accepts the challenge. Remember, fluent English is not about knowing more words. It's about using the words you already know. Start thinking in English. Start speaking in English. And watch your confidence grow every day. If you completed today's challenge, comment I think in English. And if this video gets 500 comments, I will share an advanced fluency hack in day 21 that most English teachers never talk about. Subscribe now. We were only getting started. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English. See you in day 21.